The Constitution of India, Preamble. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution.
Hello my dear children, എല്ലാവരും ഹാപ്പി അല്ലേ? സുഖദുഃഖ സമ്മിശ്രമാണ് ജീവിതം. ദുഃഖത്തെ മറികടന്ന് സുഖം കണ്ടെത്തുമ്പോഴാണ് ജീവിതത്തിൽ വിജയമുണ്ടാകുന്നത്. രാത്രിയും പകലും സുഖവും ദുഃഖവുമെല്ലാം ഒരു നാണയത്തിൻ്റെ ഇരുവശങ്ങൾ പോലെയാണ്. ഒരു സങ്കടം വരുമ്പോൾ 9 സന്തോഷങ്ങൾ നാം സ്വയം കണ്ടെത്തുക. എങ്കിൽ നമുക്കെന്നും സന്തോഷത്തോടെ ഇരിക്കുവാൻ സാധിക്കും. Okay, my dear children, let's move to our next topic, large measures. In previous class, we learned about small measurement, that is centimeter. Today, let us learn about large measurement, that is meter. Okay, here first question is, what is the volume of a cube of side 1 meter? We already learned volume is equal to length into breadth into height. Okay, here 1 into 1 into 1. Here all sides are equal. Okay, so 1 cubic meter. Okay, how can we convert this into centimeter? Here 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Okay, so here 100 into 100 into 100 is equal to 10 lakh. Cubic centimeter. Okay, next question is, a truck is loaded with sand 4 meter long, 2 meter wide and 1 meter high. The price of 1 cubic meter of sand is 1000 rupees. What is the price of this truckload? Okay, so here length, breadth and height is given. Here length is equal to 4 meter, breadth is equal to 2 meter and height is equal to 1 meter. Here we have to find out the volume. എന്തിനാണ് നമ്മൾ വോളിയം കാണുന്നത്? ആ ട്രക്കിൽ കൊള്ളുന്ന സാൻഡിൻ്റെ അളവ് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ടാണ്. ഓക്കെ, സോ ഹിയർ ഫസ്റ്റ് വി ഹാവ് ടു ഫൈൻഡ് ഔട്ട് ദ വോളിയം ഓഫ് ദിസ് ട്രക്ക്. ഓക്കെ, സോ നെക്സ്റ്റ് വൺ വോളിയം. വോളിയം ഇസ് ഇക്വൽ ടു ലെങ്ത് ഇൻറ്റു ബ്രെഡ്ത്ത് ഇൻറ്റു ഹൈറ്റ്. സോ 4 into 2 into 1. Here 4 2s are 8. 8 into 1, 8. 8 cubic meter. So volume is equal to 8 cubic meter. So what is the question? 1 cubic meter of sand is 1000 rupees. Okay, so what is the price of this truckload? So next one, the price of 1 cubic meter of sand. Price of 1 cubic meter of sand is equal to 1000 rupees. So, price of 8 cubic meter of sand is equal to 8 into 1000 is equal to 8000 rupees. Okay. So here price of 8 cubic meter of sand is equal to 8,000 rupees. Next question is, what is the volume in cubic meters of a platform 6 meter long, 1 meter wide and 50 centimeter height? So here we have to find out volume. So length is equal to 6 meter, breadth is equal to 1 meter and height is equal to 50 centimeter. Length 6 meter, breadth 1 meter. So height convert into meter. Okay. So 50 centimeter means half meter. Okay. So volume is equal to L into B into H. So here 6 into 1 into 1 by 2. 6 ones are 6. 6 into 1, 6 divided by 2 is equal to 6 divided by 2, yes, 3 cubic meter. So volume is equal to 3 cubic meter. Okay. Next topic is capacity. Okay. The volume within a box, vessel, almirah, water tanks, etc. is called its capacity. Okay. Here question is, the inner length, breadth and height of a box are 50 centimeter, 25 centimeter and 20 centimeter. What is its capacity? Okay. Here length is equal to, here 50 centimeter, breadth is equal to 25 centimeter and height is equal to 20 centimeter. So capacity is equal to length into breadth into height. Length into breadth into height is equal to 50 into 25 into 20 is equal to, yes, 25,000. 25,000 cubic centimeter. Okay. Next question is, what is the capacity of a cubical vessel of inner side 10 centimeters? Here cubical vessel. Okay. So here all sides are equal. So length is equal to 10 centimeter, breadth is equal to 10 centimeter, height is equal to, yes, 10 centimeter. So volume is equal to 10 into 10 into 10. Here 1000 cubic centimeter. Okay. ഈ ക്യൂബിക്കൽ വെസലിൽ 1 ലിറ്റർ ഓയിലോ 1 ലിറ്റർ വാട്ടറോ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ എന്തെങ്കിലും ലിക്വിഡ് ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ നമുക്കത് ക്യൂബിക് സെൻറ്റിമീറ്ററിൽ ഈ ആൻസർ എഴുതാൻ പറ്റില്ല. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്യണം? വി ഹാവ് ടു കൺവേർട്ട് മില്ലി ലിറ്റർ ഓർ ലിറ്റേഴ്സ്. സോ ഹിയർ 1000 cubic centimeter is equal to 1 liter. Okay. 1000 cubic centimeter is equal to 1 liter. Here next question is, the inner sides of a cubical box are of length 4 centimeters. What is its capacity? How many cubes of sides 2 centimeters can be stacked inside it? Okay, so here we have to find out the capacity of cubical box. So capacity is equal to length into breadth into height. Okay, here length 4 centimeter, breadth 4 centimeter, height 4 centimeter. Okay, so capacity is equal to 4 into 4 into 4 is equal to 64 cubic centimeter. Okay. Here question is 64 cubic centimeter capacity ഉള്ള ക്യൂബിക്കൽ ബോക്സിൽ 2 സെൻറ്റിമീറ്റർ സൈഡുള്ള എത്ര ബോക്സുകൾ നിറയ്ക്കാൻ പറ്റും? Understood? That is the question. So, volume of cube of side 2 centimeter. Volume of a cube of side 2 centimeter is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 is equal to 8 cubic centimeter. So here number of small cubes that can be stacked in the box. Okay, so first one divided by second volume. Okay, first volume divided by second volume. So 64 divided by 8. So what is the answer? Yes, 8 boxes. Okay. Next question is, the inner side of a rectangular tank are 70 centimeters, 80 centimeters, 90 centimeters. How many liters of water can it contain? Okay, so here we have to find out volume. So, what is the question? ഈ റെക്റ്റാങ്കുലർ ടാങ്കിൽ എത്ര വാട്ടർ നിറയ്ക്കാൻ പറ്റും? Understood? So, here we have to find out the capacity of rectangular tank. Okay, so capacity is equal to L into B into H. So, here 70 into 80 into 90. So, what is the answer? 5,04,000 cubic centimeter. So, what is the question? How many liters of water can it contain? Okay, so here answer is in centimeter. So, here നമ്മളെപ്പോഴും ലിക്വിഡ് മെഷേഴ്സ് ലിറ്ററിലോ മില്ലി ലിറ്റേഴ്സിലോ മാത്രമേ എഴുതാൻ പറ്റുള്ളൂ. സോ ദിസ് കൺവേർട്ട് ഇൻ ടു liters. Okay, so 5,04,000 divided by 1000. So we have to cut these 3 zeros. So 504 liters. Okay, next question is, the inner length and breadth of a rectangular box are 90 centimeters, 40 centimeters. It contains 180 liters of water. How high is the water level? Okay, so here length is equal to 90 centimeter. Breadth is equal to 40 centimeter. Next, volume. Volume is equal to 180 liter. Here we have to find out height. So, height is equal to volume divided by L into B. Okay, so here volume 180 liters. These other two measures are in centimeters. Okay, so this also convert into centimeter. So 180 into 1000. Okay, so what is the answer? So here 1,80,000 cubic centimeter. So volume is equal to 1,80,000 divided by 3,600. We have to cut this 2 zero. So 1,800 divided by 36 is equal to 50 centimeter. So height is equal to 50 centimeter. Okay. Let's wind up today's session. Do practice well. Thank you.